Hey everyone, this is just going to be my small haul from Dollarama. So first I got these 6 storage containers, and they're the big ones like I got last time, but actually no, I didn't get them from last time, but I got them from Trade. So they're these, and so I got those, more of those. I got these. And I already did the video, but my brother made a lot of noise, so I had to restart it. So I already took one out, and this was way smaller. I got the smaller ones, and this came with 8. I bought these 3 shooter cups, and they're like parfait. I'm going to use them for like mini parfaits. And these other shooter cups, and they're really small. But I can use them for a lot, like it doesn't waste a lot of my silicone, and so yeah. And I got this notebook to Decoden, like the Rilakkuma thing that Maxter Merch did. And the last thing I got was just, it's not really crafty, but I got this garbage can because I needed one out. I would only use like the bags. And it was only for $2. So, yep, these are all the things I got, and I hope you like my haul. So, yep, sorry about that. So, this was everything. Thanks for watching. Bye.